Ever dreamt of diving headfirst into the crypto world, but the thought of navigating complex payment methods makes you want to run for the hills? You're not alone. Today, we're tackling a burning question: does Kraken accept bank transfers? Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the mysteries of funding your Kraken account. Kraken, a behemoth in the cryptocurrency exchange world, is known for its robust features and security. But does this titan of the crypto realm play nice with your humble bank account? Let's find out. The short answer: yes, Kraken generally supports bank transfers. Visual: a simple yes graphic with a check mark. Phew. That's a relief, right? But hold on, there's more to this story than a simple yes. Let's delve deeper into the nitty-gritty. Understanding bank transfers on Kraken. Kraken offers a variety of funding methods, and bank transfers are often a popular choice. Here's why. Wide availability: most major banks are compatible with Kraken's bank transfer system. Relatively fast: depending on your bank and the processing time, bank transfers can be surprisingly quick. Cost-effective: compared to some other funding methods, bank transfers often have lower fees, sometimes even free. However, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Regional variations: bank transfer availability and processing times can vary significantly depending on your location. Processing speeds: while generally faster than some other options, bank transfers can still take a few business days to complete. Potential for delays: bank holidays, weekends, and even technical issues can sometimes cause delays in processing. The Kraken Experience, a step-by-step guide. Let's walk you through the process of making a bank transfer to your Kraken account. Log in: access your Kraken account through the website or mobile app. Funding: navigate to the funding or deposit section. Choose bank transfer: select bank transfer as your preferred funding method. Enter details: provide the necessary information, such as the amount you wish to deposit. Bank information: Kraken will usually provide you with bank account details, including account number and routing number. Initiate transfer: initiate the transfer through your online banking platform or by visiting your local branch. Important notes. Double-check: always double-check the bank account details provided by Kraken to ensure accuracy. Reference ID: note down the reference ID provided by Kraken for the transaction. This will help you track the transfer if any issues arise. Security: prioritize security when making bank transfers. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing attempts. Tips for a smooth experience. Verify bank information: before initiating a transfer, verify that the bank account details provided by Kraken are correct. Check bank limits: be aware of any daily or weekly transfer limits imposed by your bank. Consider processing times: plan your transfers accordingly, taking into account potential processing delays. Contact support: if you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to Kraken's customer support for assistance. Alternative funding methods. While bank transfers are a popular option, Kraken offers other funding methods as well. Credit/debit cards: convenient but may incur higher fees. Cryptocurrency deposits: allows you to transfer existing cryptocurrencies to your Kraken account. Wire transfers: faster than standard bank transfers but generally more expensive. Choosing the right funding method. The best funding method for you will depend on several factors, including speed: how quickly do you need the funds to reach your Kraken account? Cost: what are the associated fees for each funding method? Convenience: which method is the most convenient for you to use? Kraken's security measures. Kraken prioritizes security and employs robust measures to protect your funds and personal information. Two-factor authentication enables enhanced account security. Cold storage: a significant portion of Kraken's cryptocurrency holdings are stored offline in secure cold storage facilities. Encryption: sensitive data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. The future of cryptocurrency and Kraken. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving. Kraken continues to innovate and expand its services, offering users access to a growing range of cryptocurrencies and trading tools. As cryptocurrency adoption continues to grow, Kraken is poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of this exciting and dynamic industry. So, does Kraken accept bank transfers? Yes, it does. While there are some nuances to consider, bank transfers can be a reliable and cost-effective way to fund your Kraken account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.